In the mining industry, whether open pit or underground, equipment works relentlessly in extreme conditions. Productivity, safety, profitability. It all depends on the reliability of your machines. And behind every piece of equipment running at full capacity, there's expertise that makes all the difference. At Montreal Tractor, we're more than just a supplier. We're your strategic partner, specializing in high-quality parts and components for mining machinery. We understand the unique demands of the field because we know your operational reality. Our strengths: a complete, readily available inventory, certified, durable parts compatible with the industry's leading brands, a team of technical experts who advise, support, and help you save time and money. Whether it's urgent repairs or preventive maintenance, we deliver more than just parts. We deliver reliability, performance, and peace of mind. Montreal Tractor. The expertise that keeps the mining industry moving